Hello friends, my name is Masood and this will be my first video on YouTube where I'm going to start advanced Excel tutorials. So this is a sample file uh, where you can see there is some dummy data. Okay, employee number, name, position and salary. And let's take an example, this example that in your organization your boss he want to know how much will be the cost if they increase the salary of an each employee based on their basic salary. So by 5%, 6%, 7%, 8% and 9%. Okay. So what we need, this is the outcome. We need salary increase how much, and you want to see what will be the totals also. Okay. So this first tutorial will be on cell referencing. So what is cell referencing? Let me show you. Let us start now. So this is a bit advanced tutorial. You can say semi-advanced tutorial for the beginners. Okay. So what I have done, I have just copied the same sheet for the practice. Okay. So for example, let's say we want to increase 4% from this basic salary. Okay, for each of these employees. How can we do that? Of course, we have to apply the formula. So what we will do, this multiplied by open parenthesis 1 plus 4% close parenthesis and percent. Okay, so this is correct. Now if I copy the formula on the right hand side, see, is this total correct? No, because the column is moving. Okay, this is where we apply the cell referencing. So if you see here, if you click on this cell, it's showing G7. Okay, G is the column and 7 is the row. Okay, if we move here, because it's moving on to H, so we need to fix the G column. So what we have to do, whatever you want to fix, we have to fix now the column. So in front of the column we have to put a dollar sign. Okay, then press enter. Okay, now if I copy this formula around, see, that's good. Now it's working fine. Now our column is fixed. Okay, now let's move it down. If I move down, if I copy it down, see, this is wrong. It's not working. Why? Because this row is moving. When I'm in this cell, it's row number 6 is there. So what we have to do now, we have to fix the row also. What is the row number here? 6. So in front of 6, as I told you before, whatever you want to fix, you have to put in front of that dollar sign. So put a dollar sign in front of 6 and press enter. Okay, let me delete this all and now copy the formula over here and copy it down. Okay, now just test it. See, it's working now. Oh, it's done. See, this is how you fix the rows and columns. This is called cell referencing. I am copying down the formulas. Okay, I've copied all the formulas. Look now, so it should be fixed here, right? So this is done. Now we need the totals also. So just highlight all this. This works only if you want to do a total at the bottom, and press Alt and equal. See, it's automatically calculated. So this is what cell referencing. This is with a small tutorial. This is my first tutorial. I hope you got some information This is especially for the beginners who want to move to the advanced Excel techniques. So this is for them. I hope you all like this. So next time, inshallah, we'll take further. I'll move